13. Hey guys, today we will be unboxing British Airways Boeing 747. Yeah, I didn't even know that this is literally, it's I found that in a shopping mall. Yeah, so yeah, the bag is nothing, just some kind of designs of the British Airways die-cast metal airplane, new livery designs, plastic parts. Okay, it's from Daron. So now let's open it. I have no idea how to open it. I think so. There's no scotch. Oh, I saw scotch tape. Let me get the scissors. It's a little bit hard. But I think so. I still can do it. But yeah, let me put this thing down. Okay. In and in. Okay. Drop. Open. Okay. One side done. Okay. So this side is done. Now let's do this side, man. Kinda hard, man. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, it's opening. It's not even opening. By the way, did I cut the? Oh, I think so. I accidentally cut this. But never mind. So now we can open it. Oh my God. By the way, before we take it out, and yeah, this. No idea why this Spider-Man. No idea why this Spider-Man. But yeah. By the way, do you know the CG5 marker trend? This will be. And yeah, I literally just found CG5 inside. It's a little bit blurry. But CG5 you can see clearly. It's really CG5. So okay, back to the video. Okay. It's taking. I need to use my leg for some reason. And yeah, it's out, man. The Queen of the Skies is out, man. British Airways 747. Now let's cut the things. Okay. Another one. And yeah. I can't even see, bro. Because I'm literally just seeing from the screen. Okay. So here's the plane. It's cool. It's British Airways. By the way, this looks like the Thailand flag, but it's not. I have no idea why there's a Thailand flag. Okay. So yeah, that's the end of the unboxing video. So if you want more unboxing videos, right, please subscribe. By the way, my goal is 400 subs. So yeah, before 12 April. And also, I will be revealing my birthday if I get 400 subs. Okay, so see you guys in the next unboxing video or Roblox. Bye guys.